The next category is In-House Counsel of the Year, E-Commerce, Male 2021, which is awarded to Mr. Amit Kumar. Mr. Amit Kumar is the In-House Counsel of 197 Communication Limited.
I'm sure we've covered all the awards, and I request Mr. Kaviraj Singh and Suman Doval sir to be on the stage and do the honors. Mr. Suman Doval, I please request you to do a Thanksgiving. Please. I know most of us have moved out and we're all hungry, so we are also hungry since morning. But let's wait for 2 quick minutes. At least let's thank the judges.
It is just, I will take only 2 minutes, and I know I am standing between the dinner and. So, first of all, let me thanks to all participants, those who have been supporting us since so many years. Plus, it became like a family. People are now here to enjoy me. And another thing I would like to say is our student sections, what we are doing is participating. They did organize. Sometimes they did make a mistake, but the question is where they will learn. How will they learn unless we give them an opportunity? So that's why we encourage the students to organize and help us to this conference. And thank you everyone, from my bottom of my heart. The kind of a support after post-COVID, we have been able to organize the first conference in India. I can say safely, Pulanji. So let me say thanks again to all of my dear friends, participants, and student volunteers. And Sumanji have been with us for a quite long time. But he is most well read on the what you call is Vedas.
Nothing. It is my pleasure and privilege both to thank you all on behalf of Indian National Bar Association. And on this occasion, we would like to inaugurate a book by Mr. Raghavendra Pratap Singh. Please read this. And she will read the description of Mr. Singh.
So basically, R.P. Singh, Raghavendra Singh, is a practicing lawyer in Delhi. He has worked. He's enrolled as a member of Chartered Institute of Arbitration, London. Okay.
Take your breath and read it.
He has diverse experience in several fields of law, real estate law, areas of practices, which his expertise are RERA, including in the areas of Delhi, NCR, Punjab, Haryana, and he has been featured in various leading news channels, newspapers, and his insight on real estate laws and regulations in the country. So basically this book, The Concepts of Law for Tom, Dick and Harry, is written for a layman, because at times we see when we are in courts, the things which we find which are very easy, but for a layman, those are very difficult. So to entangle this thing and to make it easier for a layman to differentiate between what is actually happening in court and that person to do justice with the society, because when we become lawyers, it's our duty. When I became a lawyer, my senior has told me about a phrase that 2 things have to be taught to a litigating lawyer. First thing, that people come to us with a belief that will help them. So that belief has to be maintained. But at times what happens, that belief is somehow not maintained and malpractices which happens somehow, like I know it's bad, but somehow happens in our scenario.
Thank you so much. She's blabbering on dogs. Don't be so conscious. She's just cleared her written for judiciary. Let's congratulate. That's why we have such students. It's not meant just for the litigating lawyer law firms. I'm sure almost all the law firms, we don't need any recognition. It's just that, we try to be together, and this platform is meant specially for the students. So I must congratulate all these young students whom we think they don't know anything, but they're putting a lot of hard work, and she's cleared her judiciary written. So we'll be seeing her, most of them across the dais as well. So let's thank all the student section, and I thank all my volunteers. They've done a lot of hard work on this. Thank you so much.
So please give a big round of applause to the writer of this book, Mr. Raghuvendra Pratap Singh. One more. We wish him all the best. Now, Madam, are you? Please, be there. So after photo session, we request all of you to join us for the dinner. And thank you very much once again. And we are very grateful to you to come here and grace the occasion. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Also, for all those who are present and have a patience to listen, we do a lot of women empowerment work, and last year there was a book launch, Phenomenal She. We started in 2018 with Sushma Swaraji, and 2020 we have a message from the President of India for the book. For all those wonderful ladies who featured in that book, that all the information is up on the website. Yes, Phenomenal She. Please, let's all Google and see. And let's promote all the women in any area, starting from the village till the top ministers. We have Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan ministers, judges featuring in that book. In the last 3 years, we've had almost 300 plus profiles, and 1700 plus entries come online. So let's promote women all the more. I know we do it, but a lot more has to be done in this area. Thank you so much. And now the photo session can go on, and the rest of us can have dinner. Thank you so much.